Welcome to part 3 of the DIY driveway respray. As you can see behind us, we've already done the majority of the sanding. We've just got to do the spraying now. We're going to try and get it done in both the base coat and the clear coat today because it's looking nice today and tomorrow. I'm going to insert a time lapse of all the preparation now, and then shortly after that we should hopefully be able to do a run round of a fully painted van. Hopefully. See you then. Bye. Is done, and as you can see, I'm just going to walk you around the van. Sorry for the noise. You wouldn't think it was 12 o'clock on a Monday, would you? Every man and his dog is driving about, but here we go. So as you can see from here, all the front has been painted now. We've got the colour coordinated front which has been painted. The bonnet's been painted. We've still yet to put the body kit on, but I'm going to do that in a completely separate video. The Raptor is now completed all the way round the van and the roof. So you've got it all the way along the sway line. It matches the colour pretty well, to be fair. You can see that the panels that were replaced in have blended in quite nicely. The rear of the van has also been done. That brake light is currently out because I think I've connected it wrong, but we'll fix that. Unlike a lot of YouTubers that do this, it is not perfect by any means. Once it's been cut and polished, it will be absolutely fine. We do have some orange peel in the black. I don't know why. I didn't get on well with the clear at all. It's the first time I've used this clear, and to be honest, it was a bit of a nightmare. I don't know whether it's just because it's a big van and I've never painted anything this big before, but yeah, there was a couple of bits where the orange peel just got a little bit out of hand, but once we sand it, it should be good. But as you can see, it looks better than it did before. I am going to point out all the bits that aren't right, because I'm going to do a separate video when I cut and polish to see just how good we can actually get the finish. So if you look up here, along this area here and there, you can see we've got some runs. The runs are in the clear. It's a flat blue colour. There's no pearl in it, so I have no problem with sanding that back. I'll probably use a razor blade to get rid of the big runs, and then I'll sand it back with 800 dry, then do 1000, 1500, and then cut with a heavy compound and then polish it back up. The same on this side. Tiny bit of orange peel. There is a ripple in the side of the van here from the previous owner. You can see it. That isn't going to bother me because what the plan is to actually put a molly panel. Do you know the bits that you see on like army trucks and stuff like that? So I'm going to get a piece of mild steel, cut the same size as the window ingress, with holes so we can put attachments, we can mount surfboards. It's going to be done in Raptor, so that will get rid of that completely. Okay, when we go around this side, you can see that this side is a lot better. To be fair, the whole van looks amazing. Still got to finish the steps. The steps will be done in another video, so I'll be replacing both steps, and I will be Raptoring the inside of the van as well, but I'll be replacing both steps in a separate video. It won't be a how-to guide, it'll just be come along and watch me repair the steps. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to walk around the van without me talking, show you what it looks like, and yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. It shows you just what you can achieve even on a driveway with sporadic weather, no heat lamps, and just a spray gun and some quality paints, and what can actually be achieved. So I'm going to walk around the van now and show you without talking, and then that's it. But thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.